This coming May 16, 2024, the Rugate family celebrates the 20th canonization anniversary of Saint Hannibal Mary de Francia, Apostle of Prayer for Vocations. Remembering this grace-filled day, let us call to mind the grace-filled journey of Saint Hannibal's cause for canonization in this first episode of Snippets from a Canonization Journey.
In 1934, 7 years after Father Hannibal Mary de Francia died, Don Luigi Orione, a saintly priest later canonized with Father Hannibal, stirred up the Rogationists to the cause of canonization of Father Founder. He wrote to Father Francesco Vitale, the founder's successor, urging him to do something to speed up the process or the cause of beatification of Father Hannibal. He told him to write as soon as possible at least a biography of Father Hannibal, and grabbed the opportunity while Monsignor Angelo Paino, the bishop who took care of Father Hannibal and his institutions, was still alive. Nobody doubted the holiness of Father Hannibal Mary de Francia, and even years before Don Orione's reminder, people asked the possibility for his canonization. Sadly, the much-needed biography was only published in 1939. The book, Canon Hannibal Mary de Francia, in his life and in his works. As the Second World War broke out, the beginning of process was delayed until the war ended in 1945. On April 21, 1945, the Archbishop of Messina, Monsignor Paino, formally started the diocesan informative process, wherein testimonies and other documentations were collected. He ended this diocesan process in 1952 and handed over the collected published and unpublished writings of Father Hannibal to the Congregation of Rites, the curial department responsible for the process of canonization back then. Father Hannibal's collected writings were then examined by theologians. In 1960, the Congregation of Rites approved the collection, 51 volumes of writings, and also of pushing through the process of cause for Father Hannibal's glorification on the altars. By then, Father Teodoro Tusino, a formandi of Father Hannibal, took the work of being the postulator, the person who guides a cause for beatification or canonization through the judicial process required by the Church.